Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. Recently, the price on a BitTorrent has formed another falling wedge pattern. Previously, I have been showing you this breakdown from the sub channel, and the technical target for this breakdown was, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel at 77.000006 times 077 dollar. By the way, from 77 to 73, we have already a quite long-term support zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this support zone has been recently breaking a support zone here, support here, support here, and support here, resistance here, and support here for several weeks a month. Now again, it is working as a very nice support. And while moving to the downside recently, we have also formed another falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, so many rejections here. And we had another bounce here. And now the price and it's once again moved at the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and a very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for LRC, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this signal I shared on 20th of January 2025 in the members. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And then now the movement is quite squeezed. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection here, then we had another bounce, rejection, 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 bounce, and now the pricing is once again reached the resistance of this wedge. If this time it will be rejected by the resistance, then it can test the support here, approximately at 7.2, slightly lower than this support line that starts from 7.7 and goes to 7.3. That is a quite long-term support line. So it is also possible that we may test the bottom of the support line at 7.3, or we may have just a spike up to the support of the wedge approximately at 7.2. But in case of breaking out this wedge, we can expect a very, very powerful pump. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be, by the way, here at the top of the wedge at 184. And before that, by the way, we will also need to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line has been previously working as a very, very strong uptrend line support. And now it can be flipped into a strong resistance. And after that, we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of there's a complete resistance on that starts from 108 and goes to 115.0000 and 05 times 0.155 dollar. That was previously breaking other resistance on here, support on here, and resistance on here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance on for the price line of BitTorrent. And the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel is slightly higher than the target for this wedge. That will be here at 210. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.